So here on this page, we show you how your portal will look like when you have registered for a course. For example, this student, as we can see, has registered for this course, Maths 0570, and this other course. For a student who has not registered for any course, he will not see his place, my courses, or the my courses place will be empty. So it therefore means that if this student decides to go down and select any of these courses, the students can log in. For example, this ordinary level 0570, these students can go to this category or can just click here directly. So go to ordinary level and Maths 0570. So here we no more see that message, you cannot enroll yourself in this course. It automatically takes you direct into the course. And from the course, you can attend class, you can get past GC equations, you can do payments, you can get site news, you can get the course material and so on. And here they're telling you GCE past questions at the bottom of this page. Let us see if that's true. All right, so when we click on that, it brings us to GCE Ordinary Level Math Paper 1, 2021. It's taking a bit of time to refresh. Okay, so you can see this is the GPP platform. So here you have the paper from your portal, you have it. Which therefore means if you're not already registered for this course, you have some of the papers, but not all. And once you're inside, you have access to all the material. You have access to all the material. So let us go back to our page. Let us go back. So this is what we have. Then for this course, you can equally see that they have already taken some lessons already. There's even an assignment. There's even an assignment on the chapter. However, these students have submitted. These students submitted the assignments 1 hour 44 minutes before time. Assignment was 66 words or 63 words. And you can exit what you have submitted. You can remove it and change it before time. So it's green. So let's go back to the course page. These are the various chapters that have been numbered. It's chapter 2 and so on. It can be lessons, whatever. And this one is on Black June. Let us see what it's just on here. All right, this is a quiz. It's like a test. And the teacher is still to add the test items. This test was slated for 6th November. So this is how the platform is when you have registered.